Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I lost some of my videos. They didn't save or something, but you can see I'm starting to get the International stretched. I got parts galore everywhere, metal everywhere. I've got, let's see here. You can see the passenger door has been stretched to make it an oval window versus something that has the gill in it like the front. So it takes, a lot of work. I'm going to be shortening the frame about 20 inches. I was going to shorten it more, but I didn't take into consideration the gas tank whenever I was making this cross member to support the cab. So, I got the engine wired. I'm working on building a transmission tunnel for it. I got to put the gas pedal there. Brake pedal is going to go on the left side of the column. I ended up mounting the computer. It's going to be underneath the passenger seat. So I'm going to have like a 4-inch riser. It runs through here to lift the seats up. I got PT Cruiser seats for it. I don't know if I'm going to keep these or not. They're pretty comfortable, but I got to figure out what I'm going to do with the back seats. Up in the loft up there, right behind my old Navy uniform, is the original bench seat for it. Kind of hard to see. I got floorboard for a 64 Impala, a lot of Impala parts up there, a lot of stuff. Of course, I got American flag stuff everywhere, as you can tell. I was in the Navy, so another American flag way up there. Got stuff everywhere, but International starting to come along. I'm gonna power steering hose. I got to get this thing shortened because when it was a mid-engine, the hose was a good 15 feet long. So you could see over here. The stretching's coming along. I still got to fill it in on the back. I got a lot of temporary braces mounting it. This ratchet strap can technically come off because I got a brace holding the roof right there. But, it's a lot more work to do. I'm going to see about starting to shorten it 20 inches while I'm waiting on parts. I might start tomorrow, next day, whatever. And then I got a lot of bed repairs to do, but being that I'm stretching it, 6-9 inches, somewhere around there. I don't know exact numbers. I'm going to have a lot of metal work to do anyway, so it's starting to come along. Radiator, front fender, shifter, got stuff everywhere. There's the grill. But as you can see, it's a slow process, but it's coming along. This is a week and a half worth of work, 5-6 hours a day. So, it's coming along, but slow. I'm trying to have this ready for if any of y'all are near Central Florida, the Turkey Rod Half Show coming up. And then might be trying to sell this at Meekham's auction coming up, I think in July in Kissimmee. So if anybody's interested in it, shoot me some messages, I'll sell it as soon as I get the cab welded back together. Interior not complete. You can do your own interior, or I'll sell it, once I get it 100% complete. But once I do it, it's doing it the way I want to do it, not the way you want to do it. So if you want to change the interior or anything, I'll sell it to you. You have no interior in it. But go ahead, like, follow, share. Catch me on TikTok, YouTube. I do use Facebook a little bit. I don't really post much on Facebook, but I think it's Northeast Redneck Customs on most platforms. Some platforms it's Florida Redneck Customs. I moved and I haven't changed all my platform names yet, but if you search NEFL Redneck Customs or Florida Redneck Customs, you should be able to find me. I think the Econoline is the main picture, but it's starting to come along. I got a lot more to do, but it should be ready to run by next week if I get it shortened. I can turn it over right now. I got the engine wired, but being that I got to, redo these fuel lines and stuff, I don't feel like temporary putting fuel lines in just to take them right back out. So, like, follow, share, and I'll catch you on the next video.